cleaning vlog, because why not? So already I've cleaned out 3 of these compartments and put all my smelly, perfumey stuff there. Ant farm, the dodgy, cheap, you know, kids one there, and hopefully that's enough space for my proper ant farm, but we'll see when I actually build it. I don't know what I'm going to put there. I'm not sure if I had a plan. I need to dust that off, but I can't be bothered right now, and it's kind of cute despite being super dusty and gross. And so things that I took out, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with them. I feel like the mood diary is one of those things that I'm going to chuck in a mystery box because, like, you know, I can't identify my moods, and most of these just don't mean anything to me. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll change my mind. It's been a while since I even looked at it. Inside that is the microphone I made. Dusty little dog thing. Some kind of fundraising. I don't know. Support dogs, disabilities, blah blah. Maybe I don't care about that anymore. It's kind of cute, I guess, but I don't know. This zipper thing, when you start zipping it, it turns into a bag, but I can't be bothered to show you because it's a bitch to put back together. Crafty stuff. This one's a bit more exciting. And it still works, which I'm surprised by. I think my parents got when they went to America. Yeah, it says like NASA and stuff. And this has some more crafty bits and pieces, but also some of my electronic stuff that I never made. And then, yeah, there's more stuff here. Stuff from the cruise I never finished the vlog about. Nail stuff, hair stuff. Don't know what I'm going to do with them. I don't know if this one's real hair or not. Whether I can straighten it with a hair straightener. But these ones are synthetic and they're such a bitch. That's why I never use them. Toe separators. I don't know. I got all this random stuff. So I've also been cleaning up, you know, in the bathroom, and so I'm doing the fake tattoos and coffin books. I've emptied this drawer and I'm thinking I might take out this paper. Mum likes to line things with paper, but it looks pretty gross after so many years. This used to be their bathroom a long time ago, before we even renovated, so well before I was on YouTube. I've just taken everything out for the moment. More stuff here. Expired first aid pack, and so I'm not really sure if it's expired, whether it's worth keeping any of it, because it said, what did it say? It was like, expiry 2011? Maybe I should get rid of it. And then in here, I started doing some stuff too. I chucked out all my old retainers because they were pretty gross. I don't know why I was keeping it, like delusions of using it for art. But yeah, I've got a lot of more sorting out to do to fit in the makeup without it being like all squashed into a corner. That's super awkward. But it's a start. We're slowly getting there. And I'm having trouble making decisions. A decision I have finally made, though, is that I'm not going to keep all the boxes of makeup stuff, because now that the novelty has worn off. And I also downloaded the Mecca app, which tells you what you've bought in the past. So if I don't know what my shade is, I just go in the app and it actually says like what shade I've bought of every transaction I've done with them on my Mecca account. So the only thing that won't be on there is, you know, that the black eyeshadow and the smudge stick thingy that I got that first time when I was super overwhelmed and just wanted the pharmacy, you know, foamy brush sponge things. Anyway, so that means I can get rid of all this. But I was working on a vlog for the Mecca advent calendar, and there's all these little ones. And so I'm like, I suppose I should get rid of the boxes, but try and remember which ones were the advent calendar, because I thought I would try and do a whole face of that stuff and see how it goes. But anyway, I'm going to get back to, well, I guess tossing out all of these boxes that I don't need, because I've got to try and be a little bit brutal if I'm going to get through all this cleaning. Oh my god. Hoarding life. Terrible. Listening to music. This is Rainbow Death Ray. I'm on the violin. That's the only one like I can really show you without... Oh, I better stop before copyright stuff comes on. Ah! Alright, munchkins, are you ready for the big reveal? Da-na-na-na, na-na-na-na. There you go, now you can see a bit better. Yeah, it's looking heaps better. I changed it so that instead of the medium shelf being up here, it's here, so I can reach the makeup more easily, because I use this stuff more than I use this stuff. Yeah, and then I ended up putting the advent calendar box in there to organize some stuff. So I'll show you where I put the things that I had in there before. Yeah, toothbrushing things, and this is all like pretty much mouth related. Yeah, it's all mouth related. So, you know, lip scrub, lip mask, dental stuff. That's my vampire teeth, also stuff. And then over here we've got the makeup, you know, brushes because they're tall, makeup remover. There's another makeup remover behind there, the balm, that's also makeup remover pens, so yay. Then yeah, still organizing this makeup by what order I tend to use them in, sort of vaguely. Anyway, then we've got like lipsticks and stuff here, the shitty lipstick. This is an eye thing that I haven't used yet, and I couldn't find anywhere for the eyelashes, so they're there. This is my nasal sprays for my allergies, so they're there. Then this has to be here because it's tall. So we've got hair stuff here, and actually I should move the green one over a bit because that's hair. This is sun cream. I don't know when I'm going to use it, but it was a freebie someone gave me. Got some creams for various issues, you know, skin things. This is a random bit of soap that I should probably use at some point, and that's to remind me that I've got those makeup pads that I never use. These are here just for the moment, those stampy things. And I got me contacts, and so there's some, you know, vision related stuff. I don't need these, but they're, if I use reusable contacts ever, I don't know, it could be a thing. Like if I do, if I get like fancy contacts for band stuff, hard to find prescription ones, but you know, maybe. Glasses spray. I have another glasses spray in the other room, so yeah. And up here we've got old nail polish that's a bit crap, cotton tips. This is like actual face paint, and some face painting sponges. And then just for now, I've got my hairbrush and stuff there, but I don't really use them. I don't really leave them there. I usually have them here for quick access in the morning. And then there's like the plug for my sink. And then these are little dental whatevers. I mainly use them for putting in extensions. Anyway, because it looks neat, I'm just going to put my hairbrush up there. But like that's where I was putting my hairbrush just temporarily when I clean anyway. So yeah. Now, before anyone gets too excited, all of this stuff is expired. But Dermaid, that's for, you know, skin irritations. Soothe, that is also for skin irritations, but more like bug bites. And then this one is the weird one, Nilstat. Yeah, I actually used that for a fungal thing on my face, and when I went to the pharmacy and asked for it, they were trying to give me some interesting advice that was not relevant to me, but I still have it. I should probably chuck it out because it's, you know, all expired, but it came with an applicator. I threw it out because I don't need it. So before any of you go looking it up, trying to figure out what creams I'm using, don't get the wrong idea. It was for a completely different issue on my face. But yeah, putting that cream on my face took a bit of getting used to. Anyway, so that, and look, like the background is now actually white. I think on the doors there's still like some very faint staining, but things look white again. Yay. Okay, let's close that up. And then did I change anything here? Not really. I think chuck some more eye stuff. You know, that's like the eye sharpener and the other, you know, my other pharmacy spongy things. I've got all these spongy things labeled with like what color of eyeshadow I tend to use them with, so if I can't be bothered to wash them, I don't know, I'm just not going to contaminate things. Whatever. But that's all I did in the bathroom. I'm planning to like use one of these. You guys are going to get excited about this too. This is to stop your boobs rubbing against like itchy t-shirts. Yeah, Japanese stuff. I've also got, well, this one's fashion tape. You can actually get tape that's used to like hold your boobs, like a bra. But no, this is for stopping your top from falling down. So if I wear anything interesting, stop me from having like a wardrobe accident. Anyway, no, I'm thinking of like making one of these for, you know, my makeup towels, because yeah, at the moment, I mean, probably I do need space for hair straightener and stuff, but I can clear one out. I can make room. Just haven't got around to it. I've got to clean like the whole drawer, because similarly to in the yeah, things are all yellow and gross. Anyway, did my regular cleaning, and now I'll show you where I put the other stuff. So the stuff from the advent calendar, I actually grabbed this box, and so it's in there along with the boxes about the lip scrub and lip mask, because I'm still getting the hang of them. Anyway, so I'm just putting that in there for the moment, along with Ant. Haven't checked it. Oh, there it is, right in front of us. Don't know what you're up to today. I guess it must be a nocturnal ant, because it only really comes out of hiding in the evening. So, like, it has been hanging out in there, I think. I don't know what it's looking for, though, because I put some stuff in there and, yeah, it just doesn't give a shit. So, I don't know. I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, yeah, all me smelly stuff. Yay. Haven't decided what to put in there, but I figure, like, because these are the top shelves, everything in this area should be stuff that I need to access reasonably often. That makes sense, right? And then down here can be more display stuff. Obviously, I'll move that when I get the ant, my proper ant nest sorted for my proper ant. Mum, I showed Mum all this and she's like, is this like still dusty? And I'm like, yes, don't touch that. I also need to clean like all of this. I know you guys have seen my Egyptian shelf last time I cleaned it, but it needs cleaning again, and I need to figure out with my other Egyptian stuff in the studio, what do I do with that? Okay, but what do you want to see? You want to see this? Yeah, I've made some progress. So, like, I got all the makeup stuff out of that area. There's still more to do. So, like, you can see me makeup towels. I'm not really sure about this Sumiko one. It's a little bit too cute. But these are my proper makeup towels. I also have all this Sumiko stuff here, and I'm like, do I still care about Sumiko? Maybe not. So, I don't know. Maybe that can go with Sumiko stuff. I don't know. I've got so much. And, like, the more knickknacks you have, the more, dust that gathers. And so I'm like, maybe if I want to have knickknacks like the Sumiko thing, I should go to Kmart and get like something like display case like, or maybe Daiso will have something. Then I can just like dust the box thing instead of having to dust every individual damn thing. Like, even I showed you my dragon shelf one time, and it's got all this dust again too. So it's just like endless cleaning. If or anything like, you know, maybe I need to clean it again, then put like some perspex in front of it. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm getting closer to having this space back. But yeah, you can see other things that I've bought that I haven't really shown you much about. That box I can't move yet because it's got my ant nest in it that I've got to build myself, and all the stuff on top of it. And there's more packaging underneath that table that I need to decide if I'm keeping it or what, and then possibly smooth it out. But yeah, and the whole goal of this is to get to my microphone and I need to get a new table because that table's shit. And yeah, just make the place more conducive to recording. I did want to record stuff in the studio, but we get traffic noises there, and the window hasn't been fixed yet, and I don't even know if that'll be enough. And then I got to figure out where to put these chunks. And whether I'm going to actually use the bag, and I don't know, it's all a bit like... yeah. Making progress, but it's slow going. Wait, before you get too excited that I actually organized my life, there is still some stuff here that was migrated from the other room. So things that I'm not sure what to do with yet are in this box. And then also I've got to find a spot for Solar Scribes Chronicler's art. I did put it back in there, the main artwork, just to keep it safe. But then, yeah, I'm not sure where I'm going to put things. So for the moment, they're on the floor. So yeah, that's the cleaning I got done today. I think I got the most urgent stuff out of the way. But, you know, I'm trying not to overdo things. I'm like, okay, those things were enough. We dealt with the makeup, mostly. Yeah, got the perfume corner sorted. So I've just got to, like, chip away at it.